Hello everyone, welcome to our Global Value podcast today. I'm Iksan, your host, and today we are going to hear from different students about the values and stories behind what they are wearing and the cultures they represent. We have Pika, Sarah, Asan, and Yunita joining us. Let's get started. Okay, Pika, I noticed you're wearing a beautiful long black gamis with a hijab and turban today. Can you tell us about what this represents?
Okay, for today's podcast, I'm wearing a black gamis with black pashmina hijab, and I did a turban as cultural action that is often worn in Arab regions. I choose Arab culture because it is still strongly preserved even as the world becomes more modern. And one of the values that stands out to me is modesty, which can be seen in how people dress and carry themselves. For them, clothing is not just about appearance, it represents identity and respect for their culture.
Okay, thank you. Sarah, you're not wearing traditional clothing today, but you chose to talk about India. What made you choose this culture?
India is often shown in a strange way online, but the country is actually really impressive. India produces more movies than Hollywood, and it has a huge engineering and tech industry with many talented people, even some top global CEOs. India culture is also very unique. They have colorful festivals like Holi and Diwali, and traditional dances that are full of expression and storytelling. Family is very important too, and many families live together in one home. So India is much deeper and more interesting than what we usually see on social media.
Okay, thank you. Ahsan, you look very dignified in your traditional outfit. Can you tell us about what you're wearing?
I was just tutup, a traditional men outfit from Bugis Makassar, culture in South Sulawesi, Indonesia. It has a standing Shanghai style, collar and front buttons, and I usually pair it with a silk sarung. When I wear it, it represents respect, maturity, and my cultural identity. This outfit is often used in traditional wedding and formal ceremonies, showing honor and connection to Bugis Makassar heritage.
Okay, thank you. Yunita, you also choose Bugis culture. Could you tell us more about the values behind it?
The Bugis culture from South Sulawesi is a culture that highly values honor and togetherness. In addition, the Bugis people are known for the values of Siri, which means protection one's dignity, and Pace, which means caring for and helping each other. These values are shown in their traditions that have been passed down for many generations and in their way of life, which is strongly influenced by religion. Furthermore, the Bugis people use the Bugis language and have a special reading system called Lontara. One of the most famous part of Bugis culture is the baju bodo, the traditional clothing for Bugis women. Bugis culture is also known through dance like Pakarena and traditional foods such as barongko and choto. All of this shows that Bugis culture is rich, unique, and full of tradition that are still preserved today.
Okay, thank you. And as for me, Iksan, today I'm wearing a simple black outfit today. This is it's not just a casual black clothing today. This represents the traditional daily wear of the Kajang people. For the Kajang people, plain black clothing is a powerful symbol of their like philosophy called Kawasemasea, which means to live simply and humbly. The color black means complete equality, as everyone wears the same without difference. It also shows their sacred respect and connection to nature, especially their protected black forest, which they see as a source of life. Through this clothing, I'm sharing the culture and reminding us of timeless values like simplicity, balance with nature, and seeing each other as equal. Okay, thank you Pika, Sarah, Asan, and Yunita for sharing this beautiful cultural reflection with us today. We've learned about modesty from Arab culture, deep and family from India, and honor and togetherness from Bugis Makassar, and simplicity and equality from Kajang. Each culture teaches us something valuable about how to live meaningfully. Okay, thank you for today. Our podcast today. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dadah.